Racing just is started. We have sound value. Break quickly at the start. Moving a party outside. My Lady Hana. Glamoroso. Gobelis in the middle portion. Maimpok. Then next online is Be My Lover. Perfect pass. Hard Power is Speed Admiral. Literally outside Virgin Island. Then next online is Miss Fangaw. Imperial Story and Simple Beauty. Now racing in less by about 12 lengths of the leader, and as they swing down the back, we have My Lady Hana, Wire Link and Ihapa, Glamoroso, moving a party outside is Gavelis, Maimpo comes next, Sound Value, Perfect Pass, Be My Lover, Virgin Island, Hard Power, Miss Fangaw, Speed Admiral, Imperial Story, while Simple Beauty is still racing in 13th, and at the far turn we have My Lady Hana by about 3/4 of a length lead, and in second Gobelis Maimpok moving up on the outside and now saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have Maimpok down on the inside. Sound Value, Be My Lover, Miss Pangaw likewise now moving up on the outside, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Maimpok, Miss Pangaw, Be My Lover in the middle. Down on the inside is Sound Value with about 100 meters of the race. We have Maimpok, Be My Lover, Miss Pangaw is on the outside. Maimpok, Be My Lover, Miss Pangaw is on the outside. And finally it's Maimpok, Be My Lover. Then comes Miss Pangaw, Speed Admiral.
10-1.